Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. I'm Yuang Mamba Tools. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. If you're a content creator, digital marketer, or simply want to boost your YouTube live stream performance, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into a powerful feature of the MKT Tube software, live stream seeding. Want to increase real-time viewers, comments, and engagement on your live streams, all on autopilot? Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to do that using MKT Tube. Let's go. Seeding a live stream means simulating real viewers and engagement on your YouTube live stream, boosting its perceived popularity and helping it rank better in the YouTube algorithm. It helps attract organic viewers, increases trust, and makes your stream look more active and professional, especially during those crucial first minutes. MKT Tube makes this process incredibly easy. Unlike manual methods or unreliable tools, MKT Tube lets you automate the entire process, from viewer counts to live chat comments. You can control how many viewers join, when they join, what they comment, and even set custom scripts to simulate natural engagement. Step 1. Launch MKT Tube and log in. Step 2. Go to the Livestream seeding function. Step 3. Enter your YouTube livestream URL. Step 4. Set general configuration. Number of seeding accounts. Custom comment scripts, auto comment bots. Duration and engagement behavior. Step 5. Click Start. And boom, you'll start seeing viewer numbers rise and comments flow in. Want the bots to ask questions, react to your content? You can program that too. This is perfect for product launches, live Q&As, music premieres, or sales live streams where you need strong engagement from the start. Our clients have seen up to 5x more organic traffic on live streams just by using MKT Tube seeding effectively. Ready to take your YouTube live streams to the next level? Download MKT Tube and try the seeding function today. Click the link below in the description for a free demo, or contact us on Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.